Impact News ta Impact Talk to Manipur yengbi ba khwai khoding makpu ahan ba maktada Ibethoi Thokchom na ikai khumna ba uchabaga loina na ikokno na khurumzari. You are watching Impact Talk to Manipur, connect with people you serve. And this is a platform for pioneers, activists, professionals, newsmakers, and anyone in service of people to share their visions and their contributions to the society. Ngasigi guest oina lengshin duna laibiriba asiga stock market amadi investment gi matangda khana nabagi tanja adu logzage Assure Asset Advisory gi Chief Executive Officer amadi Managing Director oina thawpubiriba Oinam Patel bu akogi so Impact Talk to Manipur da taramna okchari.
Thank you so much. Impact evidang asigi Impact Talk to Manipur da invite tawbirapgi tamita thank you so much Hananna.
Oza akogi so asigi hawdokpasidi ko ozagi brief self introduction ming laifam ichili naw kya suba schooling kai degi tawbiri si thambiyo da.
Okay, agi full name se Oinam Patel Singh, surname se ahumni Oinam Patel Singh hajida dagiti agi pokphom na ningthau khong dagi ni isine naw mari yamba ani ma aduga agi isanupi ama agi baba Oinam Sandrahas aduga agi imana Oinam Ongbi Banu Devi. Schooling I Ningtong High School dagi class 10 book tamjarai. Hawjiti Ningtong High School je high secondary na thongre. Adu class 11 12 I Morang Multipurpose high secondary school da tamjarai. Adu matung dai Bangalore dai basic computer science loiraga among Madurai da MBA lojaraga kaina tokjarapani. Aduga after MBA I IDBI bank dai koi personal financial consultant oina lejarami. Adu matung da koi MedLife India, then again ICICI Wealth Management, and then future groups tasu I koi special client gida mukta I kano thabak kano tawjarami. Adu matung da koi one of the best bank in Asia and Kanariba HDFC Bank tasu I thabak tawjarami. Almost all more than 15 years experience later matung da it's time to give back something to the society. I was wakalan galoina na. This SIG organization first wealth management company maming Assure Asset Advisory Private Limited as a set up torga hojik Manipur almost all around close to around 2 years kam koi run tawjari.
Oza koina oza dagi yan hana khangjaning ba haitare ko stock market amadi investment gi matang da koina koi gi society si the traditional form of savings haigadra investment haigadra koi gi marup tawba cheat fund adagi insurance yauksin ba adagi policy mayam amda yakshin ba sinatana fixed deposit takshin ba sinatana koi stock market invest obase masi siga kari da khetnai masi gi matang da sugaina takpiyo za.
Okay, yam fazaba question ni koi India se India economy je koi na fet when we throw back our mind koi kan wakhalon je kitang koi na throw back to butar gadi koi 1991 dagi horaga almost around 27 28 years mukse koi fixed income da koi depend or ga lakpani. Aduna su koi India da adagi koi Manipur da su koi fixed income haraga koi whatever koi saving account oisanu fixed deposit income oisanu adu atopa PPF kumba lairiba adai koi insurance kumba lairiba adagi koi post office da koi different kinds of koi deposit mayam laikre si jamna popularity oi adu ngasagi huji Ibethoi na hangbi khiba koi stock market mutual fund kumba si jamna popularity laite adu in the last koi 25 to 28 years kumba se investors when we throw back let's say around 10 years back to the maro in a public sector bank kumba adu matani layer missing je kana gumana paisa khara leijare paisa khara thamning ba taragasu haiba banking haiba post office ki haiba instruments in the loinam ayamba park tawi at the end of the day the moi the beneficiary or se kana no government of India ni aseng budati adu in the last 2-3 years the aso own ba malai koina stock market kan haiba mutual fund kan haiba the stock market se karino ai amtang hai kano haijaramge stock market hai se as a platform ni koi listed companies in moi shares in je koina laiba yon ba toriba adugma platform du koina stock market hariga kawi stock market se koi that's back one of the koi oldest industry in the world ko koi when we go back let's say koi Amsterdam dagi hogi bani koi around 16th century smukta that means around koi 400 years back ado sigi march da koi yam na koi crisis ma'am thokre first world war second world war ma'am thokre adu in this journey see the koi well su ma'am create to busu jaw kore adu koi India ye context tam yeng utaragadi koi sensex na koi BSE na leise koi Bombay Stock Exchange koi 1875 ꯗ establish ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯁꯦꯛꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 1979 ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯀꯣ in the last let's say around 38 39 years ꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯀꯞꯁꯤꯡꯇꯪ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯕꯦꯁꯁꯦ 100 points ꯇ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ngasi ini sigi program se lagtringida ina apit jengjamu tam update taw mutam da it hit somewhere around 39,500 that means in the last 37 38 years the lupa amase it gives the multiple of let's say how much is that close to around 395 times ko sini mas kind of big rese sida tana to atobo khogi stock exchange samusu lady khogi national khogi NSE aina khogi national stock exchange aina adi sigi kano tori khogi world su jamna moi si power bani adi india economy mu jeng mu taragadi khogi hoju je khogi invest tori ba kano se india gi context jeng adi yamna wali ngasai hangbi gi question khogi conventional products khogi fixed deposit saving account recurring account natagana mutual kano khogi life insurance thambase khoi cricket match da haraga just like khoi batsman 1 run gumba lawba 2 run gumba lawbani aduna well create tawunga moi cricket match da khoina hojibo da khoina jengai ba match sing je khoi run ama ani lawraga khoi kasu match thoiba kasu uramoi sumi ko adi run mari lawge taruk lawge siga samanana khoi match toy hai taragadi khoi gi life da khoina well create tawge hai ba taragadi inflation and khoina unseen kano ma jal kano lady khoi gi investment nataga khoi well se in course of time matam gi matung ina sakhibi matung ina process of time gi matung ina erosion torokpa asi hariba sigi inflation sibu bit to kano da instrument khoi invest to darka tare adu taragadi hujik mayamna popularity jamna hujik hengalaiba mutual fund gumba stock market gumba invest to darka tare
oza tanja si lojaraga ko ozana hujik pan biba mutual fund amadi mutual fund stock market amade khoina ga tariba SIP asi sigi difference su thambi
okay mutual fund ajina karino haim tam da mutual fund je khogi individual side tar individual investors sing dagi collected oiba khogi amount se khogi professional kana gumba mana magi through the magi khang haiba magi experience ki matungina khogi stock gumba dagi atopa bond gumba sida khoni invest tobani aduga atopa stock market asina directly aina sai company sigi magi share lerga aina ownership oiba samna habdo jingsi khoi SBI bank je khogi concept government gi bank ne lai aizu kai gumba SBI banks da invest over taragadi aizu a part of ownership oi samana khogi one of the khogi kan india gi ona khogi market capitalization da jianga khwadi na sauri se RIL ni khogi Reliance Industries Limited maunga da invest over the higher companies da invest over taragadi that means Reliance ki magi chairman se kanano Mukesh Ambani sumi ko Mukesh Ambani gi sta invest over taragadi agi lupa lakh amo isunu ani yosunu atra tara kun osunu ko that means agi paisa gi damuta Mukesh Ambani is going to work Mukesh Ambani se kanano handak another latest khogi Forbes magazine the khogi richest man gi list ko magi 13 richest men in the world that means agi paisa se magi organization the invest over we say Reliance ki aju a part of ownership or number 1 number second mu khogi Mukesh Ambani na magi brain adagi magi behind to him very khogi world go in masak na ba brain yo maya magi maning su mayam thabak tori sumbra adu target agi thabak ki agi paisa gi damu to moi ju work to du ne adu nga sagi Reliance industry ki magi hariba magi shares na appreciate tor mutam da my investment will also be appreciated number 1 number second the dividend haina lai ko dividend sina kaino hai mutam do khogi company sing je well perform tor mutam da mogi profit sing je khogi shareholder hai tare invest ori kangu investor sing je su moina profit sharing tore adu gi su dividend su kana fangani adu ngasai insurance da habit pan bam yaw ri sumi ko insurance khoi public to mayam na tax saving purpose na tage saving ni natage investment haina mayam na launai masi concept se aseng bagidi akhoi aran bani ai haijage kay you know am tam insurance khoi insurance lai ga do bani low ga do bani karam makhal ki insurance low gani market to hujik lai se insurance company se 23 plus khoi LIC ke around 24 companies mung hariba 24 companies muk the different kinds of khoi plan natage policies mayam lai khre adu ai site in the last let's say around 18 years after my MBA ai professional experience daina khoi Manipur ki praja sing daina hygienic budi everybody should take insurance adubu what kind of insurance what kind of insurance have to lakma tam da you have to or maybe somebody has to take only risk coverage katang cover to haisina kaino ham tamda example oina khoi sahi kuntra suba mi mana kana gumba mana magi life coverage logi hai taragadi let's say 1 crore gi kaino the risk coverage to ka adu tagi sahi im the mana thigi say probably around less than 10,000 adu atop khoi gi sina magi risk coverage ki laikre atop investment ki laga na khoi gi mutual fund gum lai riba stock gum da invest to tauna bidam I suggest to saki
to wasine hena kana gani haina
very much because see I mean insurance say I quote am to joge sizu Forbes magazine da lakhi bani publication khoi gi June gi publication aduga magi data asina khoi gi 2018 gi 31st March po gi data ani khwadi gi solve insurance company se India da khoi gi LIC company sumiko khoi gi life insurance corporation of India moi a very big giant ni moi se khwadi gi premium khongale whatever solve people lising tara lising kun lakh ama lakh manga tara then sigi asobu money se moi ju cry da thami bno some part of sigi collected over corpus se moi ju India ki stock markets tam invest ore
okay
hai ba sigi Forbes magazine ki moi gi report ki motung ina ko gi 31st March 2018 for the 354 companies tam moi invest ore different ado asobu quite so moi gi moi na pari ba shares around 7.4% gum le rangoni RIL da ingsa high gi bodo ado aine as a policy holder as a aine insurance da invest over moina I return kya fang hardly maybe around let's say 5 rupees 6 rupees per year return ni ka adu aina nga sagi investor riba company haribe insurance company duna di market moi su some part of moi collect to giba amount se investor stock market su adu top 10 gi mang da company amri ding ai kan panjage Reliance I ko Reliance is one of the biggest ni huji not one of the is the biggest one magi market capitalization around 8.5 lakh crore ni huji haribe companies ju koina 2-3 years koi 2.5 years back the sal butaragadi September gi 2016 da around 3.26 crore mukta oi that means 3.26 lakh crore adu hojikti is double more than double in the last 2.5 years the high level companies the moina around 7.6 kumbal laibani 7.4 7.6 kumbal laibani adu moina phangiba returns ki in the last 1 year da is 44%. Same thing high level insurance companies is TCS ko one of the biggest company in IT sector in India ko what is invest awi TCS I mean how much they give return in the last 1 year they give close to around 40%. Even Axis Bank is 44% in the last 12 months da adu koi di as a policy holder as an investor to the insurance da ko kaya fangi 5 rupees 6 rupees aduna de koi paisa pai giroi
okay do huziki yamna kanarba stock market asida invest tongna bagi damakta kari process changani amade khoina ga tazari ba demat account kaina ga hari base masi any ordinary person amana ga hekta hangba yabra sigi matang da su thambi
every common people can have such kind of sigi instruments ko low bazai magi KYC ko know your customers haidi magi ID proof address proof magi PAN card adi magi bank details haiba sigi sima submit to wiba darka tare demat account ma hangani demat se khoina dematerialized account haibani haiba account se khoina bank te account hangba matam da whatever khoi paisa je digital form da uidana siga samana na khoi shares se khoina lairaba matung da khoi demat account se khoi store torga lege doini adu aina laigi zone ge har matam da trading account amga darka ta haiba trading accounts da aina laiba zone ba torga aigi whatever aigi demat account am la kadui aduna aigi saving account ne natragana aigi individual current account ne sisga link torga atop account ani kana no demat account amane aduga ngasai trading account siga link torga hangba kesu kaiti
oza wari sisiyam nungari matang sai sida break am tang lobzege
thank you so much
impact talk to Manipur meeting taduna labiu break tagi am tuna hanjerake break ki matungda mayambo amuka hanna taramna okchari oza khoina break ki mamangda account hangbagi demat amadi trading account ma dakar oina takpi kre ko adu si stock market invest toge hai taragadi mi amana khangdaba yadaba basic fundamentals sing aduna kari no amadi mi amana brokers e khanba matamda karamna khangadi masigi matangda thambi
questions am phuje to am sorry very vast hoiba kaino ni si ko si dam to explain to matam it will take at least 1-2 days also okay but in a very short period I haijake company sing sagi aina stock market invest over a company business se laiga doini aduna aina jenga du krai de jenga do no is it really company ki magi business model say is it really very good or not is it really sustainable or not number 1 number second the competency of the management people gi moigi kano se competent fazana oibra oidebra very transparent oibra aduga ahum subadana mu ngasai moigi growth haidar magi balances su nainaba fazana darka tai magi liabilities like asset ladiba and in the last let's say 3 years 5 years the moigi growth se kamai tori si masam tang ai panjaram ge sikata fundamentals ki matang adu atopo question do
broker
khan basi aina hygienic body India da ladiba broking yam like ko housing je adu aina hygienic body at the end of the day di ai hard earned money se invest to goduni adu quality oiba quality piba ngamba kan brokerage da I suggest to sake
okay oza hoji ki fundamentals ki matang gi do oza na khar thambi ni habdo du su thambi
fundamentals ai no ji hajaba do ngasai gi business model do mo jam fajina concrete oiba ma darka tare aduga magi management gi magi competency level no compromise at all number third term magi asset and liabilities asi ju fajina ji yem darka tare
adu oza khoine stock market sida investor or sida market inflation deflation thokpa lei ko masidai sida akoi gi hard earned money ngasa investor gri base kanana kadai fawba security pb gani aduga risk ti kanan lobi gani adugi matang da su
asigi risk li ngasa gi stock market risk investor ba to matam da risk li isagi oiga to ni number 1 number second dang sagi investor ba na khoi ai gi lupa lising tara lare lakh amare lakh manga lare harba sing je khoi gi india da hojik lare around khoi sensex ta around 24 sector gumba lai bani sector haiba gi atadi khoi automobile ko then again pharmaceutical then again IT sector laiba then again atopo khoi services sector banking sector harba sing jina ai gi lejerba ai gi paisa se spread out toroga different baskets ta ina kai invest over taragadi ai di defensive lady aggressive lady alagi something khoi gi tungda lakado bo khoi gi central government su moi plan and policy gi matungina khoi na khara research toroga invest toroga di inflation laksunu crisis laksunu we can face it adi sigi history happy jeng ai mutanga I would like to go back ko ang sa haije gi bada 1979 gi 100 points ta hogi bose sig in the last 38 years the koyang tang yeng se bo ko 1984 da in khan bada khoi barki prime minister Oinam Indira Gandhi was assassinated laiba am gi prime minister assassinate to you market might have crashed on that day or maybe in that period of time ani subdam khoi 1991 damu magi masani pa khoi respected khoi Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated sumiko aduga loile na khoi scam khoi Ketan Parek like riba gi Harshad Mehta gi then again khoi 1999 damu khoi .com kind ka de Y2K then IT bus oi gi ba argi just khoi 2008 damu khoi US tagi haura ga khoi subprime crisis kind worldwide khoi ne jam solve crisis mem thokriba around 2012-13 side of Eurozone overhang debt ki kano ka thokriba sising ju mayam thok so ani sai panjaki budo 39 years back 100 point oi budo ngasi di to the itself that is on 16 April 2019 then around 39 years matung the lupa magi value say 395 rupees oil any thoni mo thok suno the high level sigi after the kaino is it really growth is I mean people are sleeping and it has been grown and it's the company only thing I quote those again HDFC Bank I previous kind of employer niko one of the best bank I nang sa haijabodo HDFC Bank's my IPO is 1994 da tawkibani IPO di khoi initial public offer khoi public ta moi shares se laiba ya hanba ko adu matam da moi company ge value say just only 1000 crore khatani that is 1994 hojik let's say around 25 years after 2019 the 1000 crore ge value se hojik more than 6 point around very close to 6.3 lakh crores growth came to that means around 630 times very huge and apart from that khoi TCS Tata Consultancy Service ko one of the biggest one in IT sector in India ko moi IPO se 2004 da tawkhibani matam du moi IPO to matam moi market capitalization hater moi market value say it was somewhere around 40,000 crore ne so 40,000 crore je hoji khoina mu yeng taragadi it is around 8 lakh crores 40,000 and 8 lakh crores in the last 15 years the growth story se adu taragadi khoi Manipur da su I feel jeng je khoi gi Kerala kai da somebody who is having let's say around khoi 100 crore gumba paiba 1000 crore gumba paiba akoi khangde kanano why the reason is very simple tidim khoi Manipur da lairiba sigi khoi lambi sing si jeng si maroi ba lambi sing si ko asti gari kyam thori huji car kyam thori then again two wheeler ki am thori hai ba se khoi na 10 years back ti jeng ba tar ga di gari ki am thorom mi masing jam walam mi aina khan ba da khoi ju mu yeng se khoi ju nungan mo tam da khoi kari season nei toothpaste season nei cosmetics whatever then again koi toilet soap season nei then again different kinds of thing ko officer to tam koi gari season nei petrol hali diesel hali higher ba company sing je in the last 10-15 years the moje krai yo khroge bo koi ka ju khanghau de aduna Manipur da 100 crore pai ba 1000 crore pai ba se I mean will be very difficult to find out legitimately white money da pai ba da koi it's very difficult to find out ado koi ju ngasai koi Manipur je koi pai gi hai tar ga di stock market da mutual fund da moje kamaina tori no kamaina sakhli no na manung gi magi nitty-gritty sing je tam ba darka ta si so ai matang haijaram ge koi gi Manipur stock market invest to khara budi laire laire ga su ai gi site ge aina very koi gi humble ai gi submission ai gi aina suggest kano to janing badi ai gi imanabi na natra kana gumom na hire and hekta sangbi ganu it has to be trained hana training job yo training job ga khanga bu matung da invest to biyo adu itara ga di I mean adu gi magi fall soidana ma good return phangani kari gumba training job da bi natra ga sigi maram da khang de bi da sang ba tar ga di the person has to pay tuition fee for his lifetime. That also very costly.
Okay.
I think aside training job the bida stock market and the equity market invest over targeti I know the the cost is very high because market will take class every time. Adu fee the sum laita.
Okay. Adu makata pasidi do betargade akhoi state asida Manipur asida investment pattern je sina kamai lege adagi miyoi sing sina financially kayam literate oirabage aduga financial market ki dana kayam yamna advance oirabage habadu su thambi. Okay,
thank you so much. So akhoi just koi India context tam gi si ko akhoi literacy rate se somewhere around 74.04% gum oigani koi kano literacy rate se Manipur gi da mung la ga na koi na literacy rate se around aina latest update tau jabada 79.85%. Aduga amuk koi gi education da ani tang haijaram ge amana kai no I graduate pass tore I MBA pass tore I doctor any engineer in I doctor ni habaduna that is economic education. The financial education the koi wali have got the I couldn't see organizations the koi na set up torpodaki we have given more than 45 plus koi Manipur any koi jamna premier oiba masak na organizations koi moi de saluraga koi presentation pirore I amanda anidang panjaram ge Manipur Public Service Commission Jenims RIMS ko aragidi sigi forest department ge moi IFS moi officer taruk jauna moi staff around 60 plus ICR ge scientists then Dem College of Commerce ki GPMS College higher mafan sing koi presentation pirure then we talk to whom the best class people MU ge professor sing moi larik haiba dai moi jamna class samna wang ba ngatani adu koina financial literacy ki matang da hangu matam da di I mean still there is huge room to be improved huge room aduna tabadi common gi khoina jeng mutara di akoi yamna nemi thamjage aduga amu India gi da khoi financial literacy rate se khoi Standard and Poor moina piba data gi matungina somewhere around khoi 20.4% katani adugi adu taraga di 100 ta around 76% se financial literacy yaugde seng na adu Manipur gi data de khoi adugi data de koi phangbangam de adubu must be very less aduna su aso maramam ne koi aina company XYZ pandraga su I mean between su I mean when you recall on and throw back your mind let's say 5-6 years back the Manipur da koi network market aduni adani kaina mayam der missing je sida like su hire mayam well educated or mayam investor we are me see kari gino investor is because of I doctor ni engineer ni nataga I aduni habaduna tongan magi economic education ni adu som the financial literate or the vagini si aso maramam ni sise the Manipur gi praja da aina hygienic madi invest to be saving to matam da India government gi makhada regulated or body competent or body na moina puthorko moina public to offer to wa adugum instrument khatang di invest to biyo simtang ai haijaki
aduga hojik leriba khoi gi situation si da ko assure asset advisory sina loriba role se sigi matang da su thambi
okay koina load say koi we want to I mean to give very big impact to khoi Manipuri economy se revolutionize to matam da so bo khoi role khoi ngam jaba part am lo bo pami khoi financial gi literacy gi maram sida ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯛ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯔ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 54 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯕꯦꯆꯦꯁ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯔ ꯗꯦꯟ 300 + people from different backgrounds ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯃꯁꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟꯇꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯃꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊꯀꯤꯗ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯏꯟꯁꯨꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯏꯟꯁꯨꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯁꯨꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ GSTꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ GSTꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ GSTꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯠ ꯐꯥꯏꯂꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯃꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ 100 crore 1000 crore 10,000 crore पाइबा I mean खोइना एटलीस्ट खोइना इनिशिएट तौजब ओरगसु अदुगुम खोइ पुथोबा पामे मणिपुर
अदुगा अश्योर एसेट एडवाइजरी की ब्रोकरेज टी क्या ले एदुमसु थंबि
ओजे खोइन लौसे खोइ वेरी नॉमिनल नि खोइ इंट्राइना ले इंट्रासिना कइनो आई ngasi leiraga ngasi yon bhai batare ngasi lai bhai badi ngasagi market india market hangise 9:15 da hangmani ko 9:15 da hanga 3:30 da close tawbani adu ngasagi 3:15 3:20 sig mamang da ai zone da bajat intraday adu khoina lawrise samada 0.05% samada 0.05% aduga khoina delivery haisina kamai to habda ngasi aina leiraga anytime ai zone ba yaba ngasi aina leiraga ai thama leiraga sahi ma leiraga sahi manga leiraga अदुगे न कोई 0.5% लग्जरी अदुगा हुजिक रिवोल्यूशनाइज लाइजे कोई मोबाइल की इंटरनेट की फैसिलिटीज लाइरे आइने से हाइजिकी बुदो कोई मणिपुर से कोई लास्ट 38 39 इयर्स से कोई मिस और ओइरे कोई हम सॉल्व इकोनॉमी कोई वेल क्रिएट तो याबा मा अदु इन द कमिंग इयर्स से कोई जो असोबो पर्सपेक्ट तौरगा कोई जो वेल क्रिएट तौन होना से सेम आई कैनो हाइजिकी
अदुगा ओजादगी हुजिक खंजनिंगी बसी समलपा अखोगी इंडिया अमदी वर्ल्ड की ओबा इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन से सिदी कराय दे लई सिसु थंबी
ओके इंडिया की रोल से कैन ओनली इविटोई आई मीन इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी बिग इन द सेंस ऑफ कोगी हुजि लाइबे कोगी इंडिया इकोनॉमी से कोगी लेटेस्ट कोगी वर्ल्ड बैंक अदगी कोगी इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड मोगी रिपोर्ट की मतंगिना 2.8 ट्रिलियन डॉलर्स नि अदो असो ब्रोकरेज फर्म अदगी असो कोगी इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर मोइना पीबे प्रेडिक्शन जे कइनो in the coming 7-8 years mukta sigi khoi India economy se double oigani havani that means in the last khoi 67-68 years ta sigi 2.8 trillion dollar khoi create tor pasa it can be created in the coming 7-8 years ta ado hojik economy growth so mu yengsi khoi Asian Development Bank IA kanu ADB na piba khoi RBI na piba are hojik aina panjaki IMF na piba are World Bank na piba mogi report ki motong ina khoi India se fastest large emerging economy fastest way because world number 1 number second mo atopa khogi developed economies da apik jengsi US ki they are khogi mogi GDP ji hojik around less than 2.5% ni ado adi sahi anium gi matung da di they will be much lesser than 1.5 not even 2% khogi Japan so around 1% katani hojik Germany su roughly around khogi 1% adu muktani yani khogi Great Britain su oisunu adu ngasagi India gi economy role is am sauna ahong ba lakani adu hojik India economy se mu khogi fifth largest economy ni khogi world hojik oisi khoi dollar gi value gi flip flop ki matungina khoi Great Britain hana 6 or mani se India na mu take over tawi that means khoi je asobo role am sanar kani soidan world gi economy da
okay ओजा लोशन जरप सिदी को ओजागी साइट की अखोगी मणिपुर की द प्रजा सिंह से सिगी मतंग दा सिगी स्पेशली ngasi टॉपिक सिग मरी लेने ना करी करी एडवाइस पिबिनिंग अदु समलपना थंबि
आइना आई एडवाइस दिन सदी आइना रिक्वेस्ट हाइजनिंग बदी पैसा तान बसे यामना वाई पैसा तान बसे जाम वाई अदु पैसा जे खोइना पाई हाइ तारगदी खोगी राइट प्लेटफॉर्म द खोइ लैब दरका ताई आई खोइ लाइक तमुरे लाइक हाइरे ना आई प्रोफेशनल मद संगगा हेता पैसा तान बजादे पैसा पाइ बजादे सुमिको असुम्बा वाइड मनी नि को इन हाइजर से अदो आइना सुम आइगे सेल्फ कॉन्शियस के मुटुंगिना पैसा पाइ हाइ तारगदे स्टॉक मार्केट म्यूचुअल फंड जे खोइ खंग दरका ताई कइगिनो हाइ मतम द इंडिया की स्टॉक मार्केट नॉर्मल ट्रांजैक्शन तोइसे इट इज समवेयर अराउंड 6 to 7 lakh crores नि अखोइ मणिपुर की इम्फाल बाजार मनुंग द ट्रांजैक्शन तोइसे मे बी अराउंड 10 crore गुम ओरम बजाय को 15 crore गुम ओरम बजाय अदो सिगी हारिबा 6-7 lakh crore ट्रांजैक्टर मार्केट सिदा आइजु एज ए प्लेयर मोइना आइना स्किल सेट आई नॉलेज फजन लेरगदी आई प्ले तोरगदी व्हाई नॉट वी कैन क्रिएट एंड एट द सेम टाइम हाइबा सिगी प्लेटफॉर्म जिदी अखोगी क्रिकेट पिट्स कुमनी क्रिकेट पिट्स साइड बिगी अथदी हाइबा सिगी ग्राउंड जिदा हाइबा सिगी पिट्स सिदा Virat Kohli su tholei Sachin Tendulkar su lai then khoi first bowler khoi India gi Bumrah su tholei international gi player afabu lai ni sumra and sigi stock market si da ju somebody sits in Singapore, somebody in Hong Kong, somebody in Frankfurt, somebody in New York, or somebody in Delhi, Mumbai. I ju Imphal lagi na Manipur ko participate to ini. Ai khungang da horok pani na ai Imphal lagi na ai notice ta gini ai ko playground ko pitch ti tongana PBU ko hai ta bani international player ko sana mung mo have yaroi. Aduna moi ke ju face to na bi dam to ko ju hana si ma sangdring ai da hana knowledge skill aragi si tamsin na ba hana gyan loksin na ba honor ga ko sangji asim tungai haijaki.
Oza yam nungai zai oza gi assure asset advisory su hen chakhatuna mai pakpa ama oibiu nga aduga oza gi ngasi chillaba matam kya kai thopiduna yamna tanglaba wahai khara share to bibagi ramakta oza bu amuka hana thagachari.
Thank you so much once again kogi Impact TV na ai samang adai AAA represent tawzarga invite tawbirapidam sigi program sigi dam thank you so much once again thanks a lot.
Ngasi gi unadi Impact Talk to Manipur matang swais de lotion jere Mathangi episode ta anoba personality ama puduna lakchage Impact News meeting taduna laibiu.